Thank you so much. Shout out to you. Oh, 22 viewers. Welcome to my live stream. So I'm done, finished now. Oh, hold on. After this, I'm going coffee and I just made bed. Oh, I have already bed, mga loves. Before, I was sleeping in the floor. So now I have already. So ayan, chikahan tayo mga loves. Kwentuhan tayo muna, kwentuhan. So ayan, let's talk about it. What is our topic? What is our topic? Topic for more. Oh, oh. Welcome to my live stream. Oh, I can't read your name. I can't read your comment. Can you please write in English? Hello. Thank you so much for the 28 viewers. Hello, welcome to my live stream. Hello mga lalabs ko. Welcome to my live stream. Good afternoon everyone. Not happy to the dog, so very safe. Welcome to my live stream. We are fresh today. Hello everyone. I'm get my coffee first. 22, hello, good afternoon. Good afternoon, 22 viewers. I will get my coffee. Where's my coffee? Soon now I'm leaving yesterday behind. Coffee mga loves. Coffee in bed. This is afternoon coffee. Yan. Can you please comment down? Charot! Hug and kisses everyone. Mwah! Mwah! Sana'y maulit pang muli, mahal ko. Saan ka man ngayon naruroon, pintig ng puso ko'y tanging sa'yo. Naghihirap man ang aking damdamin, nagmamahal pa rin sa'yo, giliw.